Callous Daoboys. So the thing is, the song is pretty much, or this video is actually 2 songs put together. This is your win from last week. Bro, I'm stoked for this. These guys are great. I saw them live when they opened up for Protest the Hero. And since Protest the Hero is like a band that means a lot to me, and it seems like these guys are really good buddies with them, so it makes me even fucking love the band even more. Anyway, Two-Headed Trout, the demon of unreality, limping like a dog. Crazy ass song titles.
And that's when I realized all of my guests are on the flight logs.
He's about to bring me on. Run the play with me again? Okay. The interview is going to last about 10 minutes. It'll take us about 4 minutes to get up to the office and crack the security code using Maddie's false key.
I'm in.
Already?
No, that's just what I'll say when I am in.
Okay. Once we are in, I don't know how long it's going to take me to find the schematics. We still don't know what Project Failure is or what it has to do with our album. It could be filed under anything.
Okay, what? So then just keep stalling?
Play games with him. And if that ends too quickly, just play more games. Make up new games. He loves playing games with his guests.
I love games. I love playing games.
You'll be able to hear us through this earpiece. Once we've got the museum schematics, we'll be back in time to quick change out of our disguises for the performance. We'll slip through without a trace.
And now.
Okay, all right. And we're playing the Demon of Unreality.
Ladies and gentlemen, from the metal band the Callous Daoboys, please give a warm welcome to Carson Pace.
They really went all out with this video, man.
Showtime.
They're getting extras too for the crowd. Oh, that sounds cool already. Wow. This intro's awesome.
Shaking like a leaf in a cold sweat. When that emotion counter wants what he can't have. You're in his bed, but your body needs my hologram. That vicious appetite reading off of
Thanks, Becky. I'll turn it down.
But you'll get what you want first. So if one day you get out in a loop of boredom, burn out, I'll swim upstream again. Show you all the hooks in my mouth. Look at how gullible I can be. With my fits and my gills in sync. I think you like it. The bubblegum popper sure's I'll be shot.
This is actually not as chaotic for them. This is the Callous Daoboys that I know. So weird, man.
jokes in my mouth. Look at how colorful I can be. With my fits and my kills in sync. I think you're lying here. To bubblegum pop and shoes, I'll be sure. I think you like it, like it, like it. I think you like it, like it, like it. Ooh.
Well, it seems that's all the time we're going to have for today. It looks like our next guest, climate activist Al Gore and Nobel Peace Prize winner, will just have to wait.
No. We were supposed to play our new song.
Well, it seemed like you were more interested in playing Celebrity Yahtzee instead, so...
No. You brought us on the show to play our new
I'm
song.
very sorry, but it looks like we are out of...
All right. You fucked up.
Take him away. Take him away. Sure. Yeah. Go. Pick him up. Go. Bring the drums on. Bring the drums on.
These guys really went all out with this video.
Ladies and gentlemen, Callous Daoboys.
Okay, song number 2, which looks like it's going to be mathcore. It's okay. It's not a spoiler. That's usually their style.
God damn it.
What?
Oh, fuck.
Why all become cryptos? Why say what's left to fall? Big bucks for the sharper paradox. All sides for the
So weird, man.
It's amazing, I keep falling back. I stand with this past world come. Held by when we block out the sun. I turn your sides. I'll stay lying laser by our own words. Who is who's stupid or doesn't matter? And there's nothing cosmic about it. So it's as worth that I can demonic under any moon. So push your way around a little harder.
Johnny Boo, man. If they drop something this year,
One fight doesn't shine the other side. There is so little of heaven and earth that you need to know. Horatio, to across the oceans, but inside the words of every line. Some of you need to love the author, and the rest just death altogether. It all depends on who is born dramatic. I read the numbers at the last piece bingo.
what now?
Don't know what I thought I was looking for. The baccalaureate of the yellow-headed Amazon. But I'd rather
Sounds like his vocals have improved too.
My oblivion in moon surf. It's the last chance to take a breath. The last chance to fake your death. The last chance to trade words in our cage. Till we run out of words. But we know what we know. Who is who's stupid or doesn't matter? And there's nothing cosmic about it. So it's as worth that I can demonic.
Yeah, you know if donations are closed. I'd have it in the top. So yeah, still open.
Push your way around a little harder. All the gates are calm.
All right. Jesus Christ, man. This is like the most ambitious that I've heard from Callous Daoboys. This music video alone, putting the two songs together, visually, it's really well done. The quality is like a Netflix show. And what I love about these guys is, yeah, they mix in their mathcore, like Dillinger, a little bit of like Every Time I Die too, but their sense of humor is always apparent with their music, even with their band name, the Callous Daoboys. Like, I love that these guys don't take themselves seriously, but it also comes through their music. Their music is goofy but intense. It's all over the place. It doesn't appeal to everybody, but it seems like they're building up like a good community of fans. I'm seeing people talk about it in the scene. I'm seeing Instagram posts. Like the Callous Daoboys, for being as niche as they are, they're definitely striking a chord with a lot of people in the scene. I think this kind of music is a little bit absent lately. There's not too many mathcore bands right now. And these guys are definitely very unique. They have their own identity in the whole deathcore scene. Dude, this is really cool. I'm getting 8.2. 8.2. Oh, same rating as you guys. Look at that. Look at that.